in my experience, folks who come from UMass are also have like, there's this like hunger that I just don't think, I think it exists in other organizations, but it's very, other schools, but it's very unique to like UMass alone.
This is one good way that a UMass alum will happily talk to you. Say, listen, you're UMass, I'm UMass. I'm trying to find a path to your company or something like that. Would you be able to help me? Something like that. If you sell yourself, hustle like that. Work hard, because it's not going to be on a platter for you. For liberal artists and marketers, there's a lot of problem solving. You got to figure it out. At least that's my world. This world as a marketing person, I mean, we all have to sort of problem solve.
UMass students and Comm specifically come out very well-rounded and able to sell themselves because you're taking public speaking, you're learning how to think critically, which, again, Comm specifically, those are the keys that you come out with, and you have that edge in comparison to other majors, and so that's selling yourself, like Nigel's been saying, like you come out with a Comm degree and the skills to sell yourself, ideally. At least, I think that's what we all came out with, and you guys will too. So, just gotta utilize it.
It's a large school. You have to figure out a way to stand out here. It's a large group of employers and employees. You need to figure out a way to stand out there too. And I think that coming from here, we kind of have that advantage because we're used to doing that. We say, oh, okay, cool. I'm in a 300-person lecture hall, but I want to talk to this professor and go to their office hours. You're going to make an effort to do it. You're going to do the same thing in an organization outside of here. It's just become second nature, probably.
And I think also like it's the Comm degree, right? Learning from a communication standpoint how to interact and understand that sort of society and the landscape in which we live. But at the same time, I also think that there's a certain level in terms of experience, like demographic, where you're coming from, geographic location. There's a certain level of diversity that you have exposure to here at UMass that I also think we sort of subconsciously take for granted, as opposed to like a VC, for example, or Northeastern University, where I think that there's a little bit more diversity and experience that you have exposure to here. So different conversations are being had in the classrooms, you're interacting with different folks, which is a skill in itself when you